Mojo, as you also very well know, that it's a bike that deserves more attention.
Yeah. My God, I don't know. It's like a Mojo day for me today. So as I was here at the NAFS Mahindra Mojo showroom, I have a special customized Mahindra Mojo here with me, and that is none other than the owner, Farhan's motorcycle, the Mojo modified completely. Hello, uncle. So that's his father actually, who is again the owner, the main owner of the NAFS Motors, I believe, and this is Farhan and his motorcycle. And this has been completely customized to the taste of our Farhan. Farhan is going to be onto my vlog explaining what is this motorcycle all about now. This looks massive, and is the tire size also different here?
Tire size is the same. No, the older XT models came with a 150/60.
Acha.
The same 150/60.
Okay.
110/70/70.
Fine.
So I have added Michelin Road 5 tires here.
Okay.
These are one of the best sport touring tires you can get right now in the market.
Okay.
So I
Okay.
basically, tailor-made my bike to suit my needs. So I've made it into a naked street fighter with minimalistic, equipment. And design-wise, it's a naked now.
Okay.
So here is a tire hugger. Here I put a tail tidy kit, LED indicators. Here on the rear, I put custom DB killers on this.
Oh, okay.
It's not too loud and not too less. I wanted something in between, and still have a distinctive exhaust mode.
Right.
Seat is modified here.
Okay. Is there extra cushioning that you have done or something?
This is more for the sportier stance that I wanted.
Okay.
A slightly, so the old Mojos had a smaller pillion seat.
Right.
So I made it slightly longer for the pillion. Added the color to suit my bike.
Acha.
And this thing here gives me that right support for my butt. So I feel more confident when I'm pushing.
Right. It's like almost like a support
Yes.
for your back or your butt, you can say, when you're riding.
Yeah.
Right.
So this is custom painted. Originally this bike was a different color.
Okay.
I painted it to the colors that I wanted. Dark shade of blue, red. This is metallic red.
Right.
I mean, pictures and videos still won't do justice. This looks much better in real. You can see it.
Right.
And this is all got a 3M paint protection film on top. So this complete tank, the side panels,
Okay.
mudguard, it's all covered with 3M PPF.
Fine. And you have named it as a Mojo Street Fighter.
Street fighter, yeah. That's what I'd like to call it.
Right.
And it is a street fighter. It's a naked street fighter right now.
Yes, I see some aftermarket accessories like mirrors and even the levers here, and also a oil reservoir.
Yeah.
Okay.
So this is a different flat handlebar to give it more agility. So I'm okay to lose a bit on comfort and have more agility and maneuver around in traffic. So it's a slightly lower now compared to the stock handlebar.
Right.
Then handlebar and mirrors, not very functional, but it will show me how much I want to see. It will show me.
Exactly.
But it looks nice as per my opinion.
Right.
This is a custom master cylinder for better braking. So the old Mojos did not have the Bibre master cylinder in the braking system. They had the Jejuan ones. So I want to enhance my braking, so I've added an updated master cylinder. This lever came along with that, and I have added EBC brake pads also for better initial bite and feedback.
Both front and back, right?
Front and back both EBC. Yes.
Superb. And what's up with this headlight?
Headlight, I somehow like the round headlamp more. So this is 110 watts LED headlamp.
Okay, so it's completely LED.
Yeah, this is all LED.
Oh, that's nice.
It's daytime now, so there's not much you can see now. This is the DRL. It looks better from far.
Yeah.
This is the low beam here.
And that's the high beam. Wow.
Indicator. meters. The mudguard is also from the new Duke 390.
Oh, okay.
And I've painted this again on top.
Okay.
All this visor here, this is fabricated by us. I've designed it and made it to suit my bike.
Right.
So this is fabricated by us, tailor-made by us.
Mm-hmm.
And we have this kit normally when we put a round headlamp setup. So there is this speedo holder, wire plate,
Mm-hmm.
the headlamp cone, headlight, and a visor. There are different type of visors based on how each individual wants. Kept it, small and minimalistic to suit my naked Street Fighter sort of look.
Right.
And here's the radiator guard. This is also fabricated by us. We have designed
Okay.
these, radiator guards.
Okay.
Red alloy wheels.
So it says NAFS.
NFS, yeah.
Yeah.
It's our dealership.
Right. Right.
Michelin Road 5 tires. One of the best sport touring tires you get. They're extremely good in wet conditions.
Mhm.
Good on tarmac. They're good off-road and they last quite long also. Not as low as say a Metzeler M5 or
Mhm.
Rosso 2. This will last longer than that. It has a dual compound. So center is harder, sides are soft.
Soft compound.
Yeah. So
Okay.
it will corner well. At the same time, it will last longer and it's very good in wet conditions. There are a few more things on the bike that I didn't tell you about. These are all the external part of the bike. There are some things inside.
Please tell.
Mantra Racing performance air filter.
Oh, okay.
So this has slightly made the bike, throttle response a bit smoother.
Okay.
It's very crisp now, and fuel efficiency also slightly has improved.
Okay.
That and the EBC brake pads that I've told you.
That you have already
These are
told.
the upgrades that you are not able to see on the bike. So now the bike, if you have ridden the old generation of Mojo stock bike and you ride this, you will feel definitely this is much lighter and agile and slightly quicker also because of all the weight that it shed.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Previous generation had USD forks.
It had USD forks.
Yeah, right now you're getting is the telescopic forks, right?
That's it from me. Yeah, you can take it for a spin. and
All right,
know
so
how you feel.
time now for the ride of the Mojo Street Fighter. Okay, let's see how the exhaust sounds actually on a first place. Please put on your earphones if you have not, because I recommend this onto my channel. Yes, fire it up. Oh shit. All right, baby. Superb. These are with the custom made DB killers is what you're telling. So imagine removing the complete DB killer.
It's going to be much louder.
Much louder. Alright baby, so time now to ride this Street Fighter and see how does this actually feels.
Brakes are a little sharp, so just be careful.
Yeah, okay.
This master cylinder and EBC, it's quite sharp.
Okay. The time to test ride what the Mojo Street Fighter feels like. Whoa. And we are talking about a previous generation Mojo here now, modified into a Street Fighter. So I was talking about the customization of NAFS motors, what they do at their shop. I'll leave the link in the description box below, and as well as you can see the photos coming on the screen. You can see that what all modification these people they do. So if you have a Mojo and you want to do something with it like this or according to your taste, you can surely get your Mojo here and get it done, really get it done. My god, I don't know, it's like a Mojo day for me today. But it's seriously fun riding this Street Fighter Mojo. Woo! So if at all you want to get your motorcycle or your Mojo, I can say, converted into this Street Fighter what you're looking at right now, you can always reach out to NAFS Motors. Oh my god, it feels so freaking different. This isn't Mojo, man. This is something else. god, man, seriously. This thing is simply awesome. Well, that's all I have to say. So anyone who has a Mojo, they can come here, approach you and get the Mojo done into a Street Fighter, or according to their taste, whatever it is.
Cafe racer, more inclined towards off-road, do it all here.
Fine, so you know that. So the number will be available in the description box below, as well as it will be appearing down. So if at all you want to get your Mojo converted into something like this or anything else, I would also leave a link in the description box below wherein it shows that what customization that you can actually do onto your Mojo. Right, Farhan? Good. Anything that needs to be said now?
That's it. I mean, Mojo, as you also very well know, that it's a bike that deserves more attention.
Yes.
I think more people should come try the bike before making any decision. If you have considered the Mojo, or if you're looking to tour on a motorcycle, please come try the Mojo, ride the bike, and then you take a call, because a lot of people appreciate it after riding it. Many people do not know how the bike is.
Right.
It's very underrated and it deserves more attention. So if you like the bike, of course, please tell more people about it. Let them come try the bike, and the others also come try the bike. If you like it, go for it, and maybe tell more people to come try it out.
Exactly. This is the same points that I've used into my previous vlog, because this is going to be another vlog that I'll be shooting for this specially customized Mojo that you have, Farhan.
Yeah.
So in the previous vlog, when I've done a test ride of this Mojo, I've said the same thing, that it is actually an underrated motorcycle. I don't know why. Mahindra, I think they need to go with a lot of advertising is what I feel, because I don't see much advertisements for Mahindra Mojo, like what the Bajaj do, like what the Hondas do, like what the Yamahas do.
They are purely depending on word of mouth.
Word of mouth, yes. I've ridden the motorcycle into my previous vlog and I am literally in love with the Mojo.
That's good too.
Alright, so time to end this vlog. If you're new to my channel, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button and hit the notification next to it, also all notifications. This is your friend DJ signing off from Bangalore on two wheels. You have a lovely day ahead, afternoon, evening or night, or whenever you're watching this vlog, my friends. Chill Madi Ramagiri. Alright, thank you so much, Farhan.